Let's get ready for my best friend's engagement party. Going in with my Rare Tinted Moisturizer and then topping it with my Armani Luminous Silk. Going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy because this is my favorite. And then for my contour, I'm mixing the Persona in Sahara and Dune because I want to look, sort of contoured and bronzed at the same time. Also putting this on my eyes as like a base. For my blush, going in with Bloom because it's just a perfect peachy pink. And then setting everything. For my highlighter, I am using the Dior one because it's so good. Filling in my brows and then brushing it. Okay, for my eyes, I wanted a smoky, bronzy look, so I went in with my Laura Mercier sticks first and then the Persona Identity palette. Just went with the warmer shades like a Goddess. And then for my liner, I just wanted a dark brown, so I went with the Persona in brown. And then I also wanted to put a little bit of gold in the center, which makes such a difference. So I just used Gold Digger. For my lips, I went in with my Rosewood and the Monday Born lip balm, a little bit of bubble on the cheeks, and the look is done. I loved how this look turned out.